What's up, you beautiful rockin' D-beard people? Did you know Egyptian spinach will grow from a cutting? Here's one. Here's two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I got 9. Well, 10 actually. There's one more. 10 cuttings. I went and bought this new plant, the Egyptian spinach, and it was real tall and leggy, and it was in a 4-inch pot. So I said, well, let me do some research. Turns out that it'll grow from a cutting. So I whacked it, and now I have 10 more plants just like this. So Egyptian spinach, it is growing really nice. Let's see, here it is. So you can see where I topped it right here, because it was in a 4-inch pot and it was just real strong, long, leggy. So I cut it, and now it's bushing out really nice. So yep, Egyptian spinach. And I need lots of greens. It's 93 right now. So Texas heat, Houston, I think it's gonna be nice. Egyptian spinach. Here's a leaf. Supposedly it has a little bit of slime like okra. Oh, weird texture. It's actually kind of not what I was expecting at all. It just kind of gets gummy. Not very strong, which is nice. It's supposed to be full of vitamins, all kinds of good stuff. If you want to know more about the vitamins, you should probably go to a different YouTube person. That's not me. Anyway, check it out. It grows fast, doesn't taste bad. I'm out.